Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to change the refresh rate on your monitor in Windows 11 if your screen feels laggy, blurry or not as smooth as it should be. So let's get started. So firstly, go to Start menu and search for Settings. Then open Settings. Now go to System. Then select Display. Scroll down and click on Advanced Display. Here it is. Click on it. Now look for the option called refresh rate. Here you will see choose a refresh rate. You can click on the drop down. Here you will see all the refresh rates. So I am using the highest refresh rate on this PC. So some PCs have 75 Hz, 120 Hz and 144 Hz. Choose the highest refresh rate available for smoother performance. Then keep the changes. It If the display looks normal, click keep changes. That's it. Your monitor refresh here has now been changed in Windows 11, and that's how you change the refresh rate on monitor in Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.